Viņš ir atzīts par pasaulē labāko house mūzikas dīdžeju. Viņam patīk spēlēt pokeru, un viņš uzskata, ka mūzikas producēšanai ir kaut kas kopīgs ar ēdienu pagatavošanu. Ar savu jaunāko hītu Another Dimension viņš satricina visu pasauli. Dāmas un kungi, Timmy Vegas, ekskluzīvi no kluba Pača, Lietuvā.
Hello there. My name's Timmy Vegas, Soul Central UK. I'm here in Lithuania at Pasha. Yeah, tonight I've got some fresh things, never been played before, exclusive really for Pasha, Lithuania. This time of year in March, people are getting ready for the Miami Winter Music Conference. But Miami was very important and still is, because the big tracks of Miami would be the big tracks of the summer. For example, I had a big hit with Strings of Life, and that blew up in Miami first. So that's why I've got a lot of new material ready. Tonight I'm going to be testing it out on you guys. How would I describe my DJ style? Unpredictable. I'm here to play for the people to make sure they have a good time, but my style is varied. I can play hard, tough, twisted, I can play gospel vocals. I think there's two kinds of styles, or two kinds of music, good and bad, you know. I'll play Frank Sinatra. If it's a good record, I'll play it. I just love poker, I love the bluff. That moment when you know you've got the best hand, yeah? And you just watch people throw their money in, and it's a great game. I love cooking too. Cooking and poker, yeah? Dinner table here, poker table there, two CDJs there. I'm a happy man. Get it in the mix. Music and cooking are very, very similar, yeah? With producing music, you take raw sounds like a kick drum, you EQ it, you compress it, you have to get a bass that fits with the kick drum, the frequency, you balance it, and then you add a piano and you filter that, you balance it, turn it up a bit, take some treble off, until it's perfect, and you present the music to the ears. Cooking's the same, you get an onion, you chop it, you fry it in some butter, yeah? Maybe a bit of balsamic vinegar, then you get the carrot, raw carrot, yeah? Maybe you start to, yeah, shred it up. Salt, pepper, balance, taste. Bit more salt, yeah? At the end you present it for the palate, for the mouth, yeah? Music's for the ears, the food for the mouth. Very similar. All they want at the end of the day is to go, wow, great set, or chef, compliments to the chef. Thank you, God bless, keep the faith, let's keep having a good time on the weekend. This is Timmy Vegas and you're watching Nightlife TV.
Čau! Šovakar esam klubā Essential, kur notiek jau 4. pēc kārtas pasākums Kvadrat Koncept, kur ietvaros uzstāsies Miss Nine.
Nereti redzam uz ASV DJ magazīnu žurnāla vāka, modele un DJs, kuri ir uzstājusies ar slavenajiem Deep Dish, šonakt priecēs Latvijas publiku klubā Essential.
Iesim aprunāties ar viņu.
Pie mums šokar ir lieliski DJ Miss Nine, un tūlīt pat mēs uzdosim pāris jautājumus viņai. Hello?
Hello.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
You are first time in Latvia. How do you feel about that?
The fourth time, yeah, I feel honored to get back or to be back in the city.
What's your favorite DJ?
Well, that's difficult. That's hard to choose one. I mean, there are so many good guys out there, and yeah, back in the time when I started, I looked up or I liked the style of Sister Bliss, and nowadays I play a mix of John Digwood, 60 Metrolitas, the Swedish House Mafia, Deep Dish, and it's a mix of it.
You have played in a lot of parties, you know. What do you think the best party you have ever played?
First moment, I have to say that this is Brazil. Brazil is one of my favorite cities. I was there last weekend, and I played at Sirena and Warung, and the crowd, the locations where the clubs are located, and the weather is always nice over there.
Have you been in our clubs in Latvia?
I played last year at the Knockout Festival, and I have to say it was really well organized, and I liked it. What I remember from the Knockout Festival, I played when it was still daytime, but it was going until the night. And the later it got, the more people came, and the more the people were getting it more excited. And at the end, there was like a big party, and everybody enjoyed it.
Because you also are a model, so you have some kind of favorite designers, haven't you?
Yeah, I do.
And?
There are also many good designers out there. I like the Italian style, and I like to mix a non-name brand with a different designer piece. And the mix, it's the mix.
Why Miss Nine?
My nickname is Nina, and I'm born on March 9. And 9 is a lucky number, and I like the two words, the Miss and the 9, and they fit, I think, perfectly together.
You also are the radio DJ.
I host my own radio show. I wanna spread this around the world. The 9 sessions. Well, keep supporting the music and enjoy. I'm Miss 9, and you are watching Nightlife TV.